why do we sneeze?
Sneezing can be annoying and funny. About 1 in 4 people feel the sneeze when they look at a bright light. Others sneeze when the neighbor's dog nuzzles them or when spring pollen fills the air. Sneezing, also known as sternutation, forces water, mucus, and air from your nose with an incredible force. The sneezing can carry with it many microbes, which can spread diseases. Scientists estimate that one sneeze can send up to 100,000 germs into the air. Allergies, the flu, a common cold, they can all cause a runny nose or a sinus drainage. When these are present, you may experience more frequent sneezing as the body works to remove the fluids. When you sneeze, you will probably hear other people say something like, "God bless you." Experts believe that this saying developed in response to ancient superstitions that held that sneezing was related to evil spirits. Did you realize that you always close your eyes when you sneeze? This is an involuntary response, a reflex, and it's a good thing too. By automatically shutting the eyelids when you sneeze, prevents germs from entering and aggravating the eyes. You probably don't want to see what flies out of your nose and mouth during a sneeze. If you must sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with a tissue. If you can't grab a tissue quickly, sneeze into your upper sleeve, not your hands. Then wash your hands with soap and water before touching another surface. This will help stop the spread of germs and disease.
So why do we sneeze?
Sneezing is a mechanism that your body uses to clear the nose. When foreign matter such as dirt, pollen, smoke or dust enters the nostrils, the nose may become irritated or tickled. When this happens, your body does what it needs to do to clear the nose. It causes a sneeze. A sneeze is one of your body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs.